Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll dive straight into how to manage multi-department projects in ClickUp, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to set up your spaces in ClickUp. Each department should have its own space for clarity and ease of navigation. This allows for better organization and helps prevent departments from getting overloaded with irrelevant information. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating folders within each space. These folders can represent different projects or tasks specific to each department. Folders are crucial as they act as the backbone of your project organization, keeping everything neat and tidy. Next up, it's time to add lists under each folder. Lists are used to group related tasks together. For instance, you might have a list for marketing campaigns under the Marketing folder. These lists streamline workflow and ensure all related tasks are bundled together. Once you've set up your spaces, folders, and lists, the next step is to assign tasks. ClickUp allows you to delegate tasks to specific team members or departments, ensuring everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. This helps us because it aids in accountability and keeps everyone on track. The final step in managing your multi-department projects is to utilize ClickUp's built-in features like status updates and timelines. These tools provide a visual representation of your project's progress and can be incredibly beneficial for keeping everyone in the loop. The reason we do this is to foster a transparent, collaborative work environment. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to effectively manage multi-department projects in ClickUp. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.